In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view hidden NFT on OpenSea. If you've ever noticed items missing from your main collection, there's a good chance they're simply hidden. OpenSea provides a hidden area to keep your profile tidy and to quarantine suspicious airdrops. Let's walk through how to find that section, hide an item on purpose, and unhide it when you're ready to bring it back. First, head to the OpenSea website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the wallet connected to your collection so you can see your profile. At the top right, hover over the profile icon. This opens a small menu that leads to different parts of your account. Click Profile to open your collection view. Here you'll see your visible NFTs in a grid. Each item card has quick actions you can use without leaving the page. Hover over the NFT you want to manage and click the small plus sign that appears on the item. This selects the NFT so you can apply an action to it. If you don't see the plus sign, give the page a moment to load or try slightly zooming out so the overlay controls appear. With the NFT selected, click the hide icon. You may be asked to confirm. Hiding removes the NFT from your default profile view but does not remove it from your wallet or transfer it. It's simply an organizational filter to keep things clean and to separate untrusted airdrops. To view items you've hidden, open the Filters panel on your profile and click Hidden. Your gallery will switch to show only the hidden items. If an NFT you expected to see isn't there, double check that the hidden filter is active and refresh the page to update the view. When you're ready to bring an item back to your main collection, click the plus sign on the hidden NFT to select it. You can select one or multiple items this way if you want to unhide several at once. Finally, click the unhide icon and confirm. The NFT will return to your visible collection. If it doesn't appear immediately, clear the hidden filter or switch back to the default view and refresh. Indexing can take a moment. A few quick tips as you do this. Hiding and unhiding are UI actions on OpenSea and shouldn't require any wallet approvals. Be cautious with unknown airdrops. Keep them hidden if you don't trust the source, and avoid interacting with suspicious links. Also, if you're using a smaller screen, some controls may be tucked behind overlays. Expanding your browser window often helps. That's it. Now you know exactly how to find your hidden NFTs on OpenSea, hide items deliberately, and unhide them when you want them back on display.